Hi everyone, welcome to EatMee Recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make qatayef, which is a fried Arabic pancake filled with nuts. The ingredients for this recipe is in the description box below, and there you will also find a link for the full written step-by-step recipe, which is on eatmeerecipes.co.za. First, we are going to start off by preparing the filling. A mixture of nuts may be used, but for this recipe, I'm using almonds. I'm using whole almonds, but if ground nuts are available, then you may use that. Place the nuts into a blender and pulse until crushed. Try not to overblend it as you don't want it to become powder. To the ground almonds, add in cinnamon powder. Add in granulated sugar and some rose water. Mix everything well. Once done, set this aside until ready to use. Next, we are going to start with the pancake batter. Heat up the milk in the microwave for about 30 seconds until warm. To a mixing bowl, add in all-purpose or cake flour. Add salt, granulated sugar, baking powder, instant yeast, and semolina. Mix all the dry ingredients until combined. Pour in the warm milk. Make sure that it's not too hot as it will kill the yeast. Add in vanilla essence. Whisk together until it forms a thick batter. There shouldn't be any lumps in the mixture. Cover the bowl with plastic or cling wrap. And allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Whilst that's resting, we're going to get started with the syrup. To a pot on medium-low heat, add in water. Add in white granulated sugar. Keeping the heat on medium-low, stir it until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, turn up the heat to high and allow the mixture to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn the heat down to low and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes until the syrup thickens. The consistency shouldn't be too thick. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Add in rose water. Mix well. Now you want to set the syrup aside and allow it to cool completely. After 20 minutes, the batter would have gotten fluffier. As you can see, the batter is quite thick, so we're going to add in more warm milk. Mix together until combined. The batter should be of a pancake-like consistency. I've transferred the batter into a jug for an easier and less messier process. To a pan on medium-low heat, pour in some of the batter. We are making pancakes, so you want them to be in the shape of a circle. Allow it to cook until all of those air bubbles dry out. As tempted as you may be, do not flip them. Once all the air bubbles have dried out, remove the pancake with a spatula. I'm just going to demonstrate another one before we move on. So pouring in the pancake batter. Without flipping them, allow the air bubbles to dry out. And remove it from the pan. Place them cook side down onto parchment or wax paper. This is what they look like on the other side. Be sure to cover the pancakes as you are making them, as you don't want them to dry out. Once all the pancakes are done, you want to bring out that nut filling. Working with one pancake at a time, place the cooked side down onto your hand. And then you want to add the nut filling to the bubbly side. Be sure not to overfill them, as we're still going to seal them up. Once filled, you want to fold them into a half moon shape. Pinch the edges of the pancake with your fingers. They should look like small parcels. Continue this process until all of them are sealed. Now it's time to fry them, so to a pan on medium heat, add in vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Carefully add the full pancakes to the hot oil. Allow them to fry for 2 minutes. Thereafter, you want to flip them over. Allow the other side to fry for another 2 minutes and then carefully remove them from the heat. Place them onto paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Go ahead and add in the warm pancakes to the syrup. Allow them to soak up the syrup for 3 minutes on each side. Thereafter, remove them from the syrup and plate. I've topped them off with more of the ground almond mixture. And I've added a few flowers for aesthetics because why not? These qatayefs are ready to be served. They are super delicious and they are often served for Iftar during the month of Ramadan. They are fluffy on the inside and because they were fried, the nuts become moist. Enjoy and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more recipes. Just a quick reminder, the quantities are in the description box below, and there you will also find the direct link for the full written recipe, which is on eatmeerecipes.co.za. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also drop some recipe requests in the comment section, and I will try to do those recipes as soon as I can. Enjoy!